What if one natural oil could make plastic smoother, rubber stronger, and manufacturing even better? Palm kernel oil, or PKO, is rich in lauric acid, making it an ideal raw material for producing fatty acid amides such as olamide, ericamide, stearamide, behanamide, EBS, and EBO. Through a process of hydrolysis, purification, and amidation, PKO is transformed into high-performance additives. These amides act as lubricants, slip agents, dispersant, anti-block, anti-static, and mold release agents, critical in polymer processing. In plastics and rubber, PKO-based additives improve flow, reduce friction, prevent sticking, and enhance product finish and durability. From films and sheets to vulcanized rubber, they deliver reliable, consistent performance. But the benefits go beyond function. PKO is a renewable, plant-based feedstock. It reduces reliance on petroleum, supports waste utilization, and aligns with eco-conscious manufacturing. At TOPWELLGOAL, we supply PKO-based additives globally and offer custom formulation support for plastic, rubber, coating, inks, and more. Partner with us for sustainable, high-performance solutions.